MG8491 ஆப்ரேஷன்ஸ் ரிசர்ச். இப்போ நம்ம இதில் MCQ டைப் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். Question number 1. Operations research approach is dash and the options are option A multidisciplinary, option B scientific, option C intuitive, option D collect essential data. And the answer is option A multidisciplinary. Question number 2. A feasible solution to a linear programming problem dash. And the options are option A must satisfy all the constraints of the problem simultaneously. Option B need not satisfy all the constraints, only some of them. Option C must be a corner point of the feasible region. Option D must optimize the value of the objective function. And the answer is option A must satisfy all the constraints of the problem simultaneously. Question number 3. For any primal problem and its dual dash. And the options are option A optimal value of objective function is same. Option B dual will have an optimal solution if primal does do. Option C primal will have an optimal solution if dual does too. Option D both primal and dual cannot be infeasible. And the answer is option C primal will have an optimal solution if dual does too. Question number 4. The difference between total float and the head event slack is dash. And the options are option A free float, option B independent float, option C interference float, option D linear float. And the answer is option A free float. Question number 5. An optional assessment required that the maximum number of lines which can be drawn through squares with zero opportunity cost should be equal to the number of dash. And the options are option A rows or columns, option B rows and columns, option C row plus columns minus 1, option D row minus column. And the answer is option A rows or columns. Question number 6. To proceed with the modified distribution method algorithm for solving an transportation problem, the number of dummy allocations need to be added or dash. And the options are option A n, option B n minus 1, option C 2n minus 1, option D n minus 2. And the answer is option B n minus 1. Question number 7. Select the correct statement. And the options are option A EOQ is that quantity at which price paid by the buyer is minimum. Option B if annual demand doubles with the all other parameters remaining constant, The economic order quantity is doubled. Option C. Total ordering cost equals holding cost. Option D. Stock out cost is never permitted. And the answer is option C. Total ordering cost equals holding cost. Question number 8. Service mechanism is an queuing system is characterized by dash. And the options are option A. Customers behavior. Option B. Servers behavior. Option C. Customers in the system. Option D. Server in the system. And the answer is option B. Servers behavior. Question number 9. The objective of network analysis is to dash. And the options are option A. Minimize total project duration. Option B. Minimize total project cost. Option C. Minimize production delays, interruptions, and conflicts. Option D. Maximize total project duration. And the answer is option A. Minimize total project duration. Question number 10. The calling population is considered to the infinite when dash. And the options are option A. All customers arrive at once. Option B. Capacity of the system is infinite. Option C. Service rate is faster than arrival rate. Option D. Arrivals are independent of each other. And the answer is option B. Capacity of the system is infinite.